Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Trust Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers, and with Robinhood's user-friendly platform, this process is easier than ever. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just diversifying your portfolio, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Robinhood account set up. You'll need some Tether in your Trust Wallet and the exact wallet address from Robinhood. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have updated, so always double-check for any network-specific requirements like using the ERC20 network for Tether. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Navigate to your Tether wallet by tapping on the Assets tab and selecting USDT. Once you're there, hit the Send button to start the transfer process. Step 2. In Robinhood, go to your crypto section and find your Tether wallet address. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Robinhood might have it under Deposit or Wallet Details. Paste this address into the Recipient field in Trust Wallet. Don't forget to select the correct network, like Ethereum for ERC20 Tether, to avoid any transaction failures. Step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Always leave a little extra for gas fees, which could be around 5 to 10 USDT depending on network congestion in 2025. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything before proceeding. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on blockchain traffic. Once it's done, head back to Robinhood and refresh your account to see your Tether deposited. A quick tip. If you encounter any errors, like insufficient funds or invalid address, go back and verify your inputs. And always use two-factor authentication for security. There you have it. That's how you send Tether from Trust Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.